A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome to English Grammar Online class. Today we will study lesson number 21, the adverb part 1. So all of you open your book, page number 97. The adverb. See, as you know, our today's topic is adverbs. Students, an adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, and another adverb. That means, in short, we can say adverbs are describing words of verbs. They are addition words of verbs. Let's have the definition of adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, girl runs quickly. So, the adverb quickly tells us the way of running, how the girl is running. This is a very sweet mango. Very. Peter reads quite clearly. Quite. So the addition words of verbs are called adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb. The adverb tells us the way of action. Now, let us discuss about the kinds of adverb. See, in this chapter, we are having 4 kinds of adverb. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, and adverbs of frequency. So in this chapter, we are having these 4 kinds of adverbs. We will study about these adverbs one by one. So how many kinds of adverbs are there? 4. Yes, we are having 4 kinds of adverbs. Let us discuss about each kind one by one. First, we are having adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner clearly describes how the actions are done. How the actions are done. And they answer the question, how? An adverb of manner is an adverb that describes how and in what way the action of a verb is carried out. Adverbs of manner clearly describes how the actions are done. Forming adverbs from adjectives. In a large number of the cases, the adverb can be formed by simply adding ly to the adjective, like cheap, cheaply, quick, quickly, strong, strongly. But if the adjective ends in with y, so y replace with an I and add ly, like ready, so readily, merry, merrily, easy, easily. So dear students, it is clear that an adverb of manner is an adverb that describes how and in what way the action of a verb is carried out. They answer the question how. They clearly describe how the actions are done. If I say she speaks quietly, so just ask a question from how. How does she speak? She speaks quietly. So quietly is adverbs of manner. Next, we are having adverbs of time. Adverbs of time, they answer the question when. That means they tell us when the action happened. For example, if I say he came late, so just ask the question with when. When did he come? So you will get the answer, he came late. So late is adverbs of time. We can have some examples of adverbs of time on the screen, like points of time: tomorrow, tonight, yesterday, now, then, today, like this. Relationships in time: already, before, early, earlier, last, late, later, lately, just, next, yet, soon. So adverbs of time tell us when the action happens. They answer the question when. Our next kind of adverb is adverbs of place. Yes, adverbs of place. They answer the question where. They tell us where the action happened. For example, go there. If you ask the question where, then you will get the answer there. Go there. The bus comes here. Where does the bus come? The bus comes here. My friend is going abroad. Where is your friend going? My friend is going abroad. The little lamb followed Mary everywhere. The boys are going outdoors to play. So, in these examples you have seen, they tell us where the action happened. They are called adverbs of place. They answer the question where. Adverbs of place states where something happened, where the actions happen. Next we are having adverbs of frequency. Yes, next we are having adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency, they answer the question how often. They tell us how often someone does something or how often something takes place. Yes, they tell us how often someone does something or how often something takes place. They answer the question how often. We have some examples on the screen like always, usually, frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, never. So adverbs of frequency means they tell us how often someone does something. They answer the question how often. Like he always tells a lie. So how often does he tell a lie? He always tells a lie. Suresh is seldom late. How often is Suresh late? Seldom. She rarely meets me. How often does she meet you? She rarely meets me. So seldom, always, rarely, these are the examples of adverbs of frequency. They tell us how often someone does something or how often something takes place. So dear students, we have learnt in this chapter about adverbs. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. We studied about the kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency. And the examples are like girl runs quickly. This is a very sweet mango. Peter reads quite clearly. So, dear students, that's all for today's class. In your homework, you have to just go through the chapter, you go through the topic. Tomorrow we will discuss the exercise of this chapter. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.